rubbish to grey. I'll say it a line.
Tony, another design from your collection. What is this?
This is a Jaguar, so running on 4S 4000 batteries with two FMS 50mm fans, so delivering about 1.5 kilos. The actual model only weighs about 1.2, so it's a lovely setup. Something that I've always wanted to do. I don't think anyone else does a Jaguar. Such a great aircraft. Very easy to fly, very comfortable to fly.
You made it look easy, yeah.
Always gets away. My poor sort of finger ability at the moment, even I'm sort of struggling, but get it true and level, trimmed out, and she flies straight and level. You don't even have to put any input into it. So,
nice.
Lovely model, really pleased with that.
So we're going to see this as a plan in RCM&E, you said?
Yep, so after the Javelin, 2 months after the Javelin, so for December issue, this will be in here. And then we'll finish off in January, February with the Swing Wing Tornado.
So to be clear, folks, if they buy a RCM&E, they get the free plan, but they can buy the CNC cut kit from you.
Yep.
Or
Absolutely.
George at Formax, I suspect.
George at Formax can sell you the batteries, the fan units, and all the bits and pieces. He's got that. So
and the vacuum form parts.
All the vacuum form parts, which is only just a canopy on here, and the CNC parts and all the wood packs, direct from Tony Nijhuis Designs.
Magic. Thank you very much, Tony.
Thanks, Don.